have my husband that we sent our cases in December. There was the I-130. They have approved it.
Right.
And we sent the I-145 and the 765 1 year later on last year. And he went for his fingerprinted in October. And we have been waiting for a long time until this morning that we received a notice that said he was denied for both of the cases.
Why was he denied?
They did not tell us what was the reason.
I don't know either then. But most likely is maybe they scheduled for an interview and you missed it, or you were asked for a document and you didn't submit it, one or the other.
No, we did not receive anything. I did call them several times to ask them if, because we did not send the 864 affidavit support with the application.
Okay.
So I called them more than 5 times, and I always asked the officer, will it be a problem for the case or will it be delayed? And they said, no, it won't be a problem, but it's totally okay to send it because I spoke to somebody 2 weeks ago.
Okay, so two things. Okay. Number one, when you speak to an immigration officer, when you call, you're really not speaking to anybody with authority. They're an outside company that's hired by immigration to answer the phones. They shouldn't be giving you advice. Number two, you should never be submitting documents to immigration unless it's in response to a letter that you receive from immigration, because they will never get to your file. Number three, it sounds like your husband got some sort of interview and didn't show up, or it got lost in the mail. Now, you have two options. You can make a motion to reopen, or you can refile again. And I'm going to suggest to you to refile again for the simple reason that right now, when you file an adjustment, they're doing LIFO, last in, first out. So you're literally going to be scheduled for an interview within a few months versus people who were waiting from over a year like yourself or 2 years ago. To make a motion to reopen, no one's going to look at this motion to reopen for at least 2 years. And you're just going to sit there very frustrated. So my advice is, come see me. Let me make sure it's done right. We're going to file an adjustment. And by the end of the year, if all goes well, your husband will have a green card. And it'll be a permanent green card because you've been married for more than 2 years. So hold on 1 second, okay?